Hello everybody, welcome again. Today we are going to learn English through conversations. Are you ready? Let's get started. Conversation number 1. Good morning. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Karim. Good morning. My name is Hisham. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. We are in the same class, right? I saw your name in the student lists of my class. That's right. By the way, what book is that? This is a book about economy. Oh, so you like economy? I like economy too. Really? Good. So I have a friend to share with. Anyway, I must go now. See you later. See you soon. Conversation number 2. Hello. What do you do for fun? I like going to the cinema. Really? What kind of films do you like? I like comedies. And you? I like fantasy. Great. What else do you like to do? I like going to the museum. I'm interested in art. That's nice, but I prefer going to concerts. That's really interesting. It's been nice talking to you. Thank you.